Well, body and skin treatments might not be at the top of your Father's Day gift list, but that is not to say that men don't care about their looks. According to the American Society of Plastic Surgeons, the number of cosmetic procedures performed among men is now skyrocketing. It says in 2017, 1.3 million American men had plastic surgery operations. The most common, male breast reductions, liposuction, and tummy tucks. Meanwhile, the number of men getting Botox or facial fillers is up by 99% since 2000. Experts say pressure from social media to look good and pressure in the workplace to look young are sparking that increase. So here with some non-invasive options to rejuvenate your deserving dad is certified facial plastic surgeon, Dr. Michael Somenek. Thank you so much for being here.
Good morning.
Okay, so the idea here is you don't want to take the leap into a facelift, but we can take some minor non-invasive type treatments to kind of make you look and feel better.
Right, not everybody wants a surgery,
Yeah.
and we don't have the downtime these
Right.
days. And so there's so many great non-surgical options out there for us that can produce something similar to a surgical result and get us by till we're actually ready for a surgery.
Awesome. So let's take a look at a before and after side-by-side picture so you can kind of break down what was done in this situation. So I can see the before, kind of big underneath the chin, a little bit puffy.
So this is a classic appearance of a male that has sort of a full neck. There's a component of a little bit of fat and a component of some skin laxity. So we were able to treat it, and we'll talk about the different procedures that we did to him, but a non-surgical skin tightening procedure as well as dissolving a little bit of that fat.
Yeah, so that's a pretty dramatic difference if you ask me. So how would one go about if they feel like this is a problem area? What are the treatments that you would give?
Right, so we start here with the Face Tight. This is
Okay.
a non-surgical skin tightening device. It's radio frequency, so what it does is it heats the tissues up.
Okay.
So it does two things when we heat tissues up. It stimulates collagen production,
Okay.
as well as tightens the tissues. So you get a little bit of an instant result and then delayed gratification over 3 to 6 months.
Okay, so the skin tightening obvious is like the immediate, but then the
Yes.
collagen production, that's what creates that elasticity?
Right, so it wakes up those collagen cells.
Okay.
And it takes several months for those collagen cells to produce an external kind of result.
Okay.
But it's great for the jawline contouring,
Okay.
the neck area, for males and females.
Okay, this procedure right here, do you use a lot of the radioactive frequency? Is that a popular?
Yes.
Okay.
Radio frequency is where it's at these days. It is
Okay.
amazing for skin tightening. So in contrast to the Face Tight, which goes underneath the skin and kind of tightens the underlying tissues, this is the microneedling device. And I brought the handpiece. You can't really appreciate the microneedles on here, but it actually has a set of
yeah.
about 24 pins.
Okay.
And what that does is it actually stimulates collagen that way on the
Okay.
skin. It's making controlled injury to the skin, which is
Okay.
telling the skin, hey, we have to heal and produce collagen, and it
Oh.
addresses that crepiness
Okay.
along the jawline and within the neck and throughout the face as well.
So does it hurt?
So that's the million-dollar question. We
Yeah.
put numbing cream on.
okay.
So we let you sit for about 25, 30 minutes. And I always tell people, this isn't a massage. It's not
okay.
going to feel amazing, but no
Right.
pain, no gain. We have to get somewhere and feel something to actually get some external changes to our skin.
Absolutely. Okay, and then this, I've seen this a lot on your Instagram,
Yeah.
and I've actually seen you use this PRP to treat people who have thinning hair.
Yes. So this is like the gold standard. It has growth factors in
Okay.
it. And this is your own growth factors. We draw your blood in the office in this little tube here. We spin it down and we isolate the growth factors.
Okay.
And we inject it for hair regrowth in the office, but we also use it to speed up healing in these types of procedures.
Okay.
So after we stimulate injury to the skin, we rub in the growth factors into the surface of the skin, and that gets absorbed into the skin. It actually speeds up healing by several days.
Wow. Okay. And normally what I've seen on your Instagram is this, it'll settle. So there will
Yes.
be blood down here and then the platelets on top.
Right, so exactly. So
Yeah.
we spin it down. You're so informed, Adrian. I
I'm
love it.
all over your Instagram.
So we do spin it down, and yeah, that yellowish
Yeah.
material is the growth factors with the
Okay.
platelets, and that's exactly what we use when we were just showing.
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is another example of somebody that we did the Face Type procedure in combination with the microneedling. So you can see that submental fat, that double chin area, has improved, it's contracted, and she has a stronger jawline because of it.
So now this, as you mentioned, this will take a couple of months to get the full effect. So
Right.
you can't just expect to come in and
Exactly. This is not surgery,
Yeah.
right? So we're not getting that immediate gratification.
Yeah.
But you are getting a little bit of delayed gratification with it, and it works. We know it produces about 40% of a surgical neck lift result.
Well, you know, I always love seeing you here and learning about new things.
I know. I
that
love
I can
being
one
here.
day, one day use myself. All right, Dr. Somenek, thank you. What is your Instagram for other people to follow you and be obsessed like I am?
So Instagram at Somenek MD. That's SOMENEK MD.
Okay.
And we're on Facebook as well. So check us
Awesome.
out.